get off. Don't you get off. Don't you get off. Come here. Oh my God, this thing. Shoot. This thing is huge, guys. What is good, guys? I am Antoine Marshall, and this is my channel, Wildlife Plus Outdoor Adventures, where wildlife and outdoor collide. I am here outside again. I am actually in Gallup Park, which is outside of Michigan, which is about a half an hour drive outside of downtown Detroit. Not outside of Michigan, excuse me. Outside of downtown Detroit, which is about a half an hour drive. I am here outside of Ann Arbor, around U of M, in Ann Arbor, around U of M area, fishing. As you guys can see out here, I am looking to catch a lot of bluegill. They said there's a lot of large bluegill, so hopefully I can be blessed and be lucky to catch my fair share of a couple of bluegills, some nice, beautiful specimens. So hit the subscribe button, like, and share, guys, and let's run these numbers up. Let's get this video to 1,000. I haven't had a fishing video hit over 300 views, man. So please help me get this video over 300 views, guys. And I appreciate everybody who's been supporting the wildlife channel and everything, guys. So hit the subscribe button, guys. I'm gonna set the rest of these rods up, man, and I'm only gonna be out here just for a few hours, so hopefully I can get luckier. All right, peace. We got a fish on, guys. We got a fish on. 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 Do something good. Got a fish on. Got a fish on. Should have broke my neck, dog. Dang. Don't make fun of my. Come here. Got a fish on. Don't you get off. 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 Come here. Oh my God, this thing. Shoot. This thing is huge, guys. It's a catfish. Shit. It got off. Got it. Let the hook it good. Look at that. Nice size bass. Finally something worth filming. Look at that. Stop. Chill out. Fish on. Fish on. Come here. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that. It worked. Oh, I got tangled in my lines. Look at this. Look at that. This is huge. Hold on. Don't you move. Don't you move. It worked. It worked, guys. It worked. It worked. It worked, guys. Good catch. Another fish on. Another fish on. Not bad, not bad, not bad. small little fry. Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on. Well, this is a nice size. Look at this one. Look at this one. Nice size. Yep. Yep. Very good. Oh. Good job. Good job. I was about to catch a huge catfish, man. I think that catfish probably was gonna be about maybe, let's look up some lines out, even though I'm about to pack up. Probably about 6 or 7 pound catfish, man. It bit right through the line, so that sucks. That would have been great. But anywho, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, like and share, guys. And I'm gonna pack up and head home. All right, peace.